Hi everyone, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia, and today I'm going to talk to you about TifTuf Hybrid Bermuda. The name says it all. TifTuf is tough. It has a very fine leaf, dense growth, making it perfect for a wide variety of applications. TifTuf has exceptional tensile strength and extensive rhizome and root growth beneath the grass surface. Its density enables it to handle high wear situations like backyards and sporting fields, whilst its fine blade ensures a very soft leaf to walk on. TifTuf enjoys full sun but can tolerate medium levels of shade, needing about 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. TifTuf is the best drought tolerant grass we have ever seen in the Australian turf industry, and it was the first turf grass to be Smart Drop certified. On average, TifTuf requires 38% less water than other varieties and requires only a fraction of the water other varieties require to get established. Growth of TifTuf can be regulated by decreasing water inputs, therefore reducing maintenance needs. TifTuf has been scientifically developed to provide a great looking lawn with superior qualities, all while requiring minimal inputs. For more information about TifTuf Hybrid Bermuda, get in touch with us here at Lawn Solutions or reach out to your local Lawn Solutions accredited supplier.